You should come nearer here so that Prabhu. नमो महावदन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदाय कृष्णाय कृष्ण हमने गुरवे गौरचंद्राय कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय तदभक्ताय नमः। very heartily obeisances in the lotus feet of my spiritual Guru Padma, Nitya Leela Prameshwar, Om Vishnu Pasi Sriman, Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. मैं शिक्षा गुरु ओम विष्णुपाद श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज। In our Brahma Madhva Gaudya Sampradaya, it is the Guru Parampara that any teacher Acharya is spreading in the whole world or anywhere Krishna consciousness in the line of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, or in the guidance of Srila Vyasa Dev, Krishna glorifying them. On his birthday, we should worship Vyasa Dev and Guru Parampara. This is called Guru Puja. This is called Vyasa Puja. We have seen in the life of our Gurudev and the other God brothers of Gurudev, how they used to celebrate their Vyasa Puja. For example, this Vyasa Puja is known to take the puja from disciples. This is not it. This is not Guru Puja, Vyasa Puja. The Acharya on his birthday worshipping Guru and Guru Parampara, Vyasa Dev, Krishna, Mahaprabhu, Radhika and others in respect. What is the reason that we do bhakti of Krishna? What is the reason that we pay so much respect to Gurudev? Why? If we are gaining something from anyone, we can respect. No can, no respect. So Gurudev knows that how he is related to Gurudev and Guru Parampara. Without Guru Parampara and Krishna or Mahaprabhu, what is there? Nothing. So he knows that all the Tattva Gyan, knowledge, what I have, what bhakti I have, it is due to Gurudev and his Guru Parampara. Gurudev is not independent. He is dependent to his Guru Parampara. Coming from Vyasa. Vyasa is Narayan. and is the root of all the good. He has written in his books, Srimad Bhagavad, Purans and all other scriptures, how we are indebted to Krishna. First Guru helps us. We, the sadhaks, practitioners, we cannot search a bona fide Guru. Never and never. And if you are searching, you can search a bogus Guru. Because you don't know who is Guru and what are the qualities and what is standard. You will have to judge by the words of Vyasdev. Tasmat Guru Prapatti Jityasu Seyavuttam Sabde Parikyam Vishwanatha Brahmanyu Pasamash. He has given this definition. Or Guru Parampara has given definition. Who is Guru? If you are going independent to search Gurudev, I think that mostly you will have bogus Gurus who are fallen. Or Australian kangaroo. Nothing more than that. But when you judge, being in the association of high class of devotees, then you will have power to judge. Before that, nothing. And even you will have to take the help of Vatma Padasa Guru. What is the meaning? Vatma Padasa? Understand Vatma Padasa Guru? He will point out, oh, he is really Guru. Otherwise, how you can know? As I say, Bhakti Vedanta, Swami Maharaj is Guru. Can you judge by your intelligence? None can. Even you cannot judge that Krishna is Supreme Lord. Brahma, Indra, Lakshman, Uyat Jata Suraya. Even a Mukta Purush, liberated person, could not judge that, oh, the son of Nanda, Yashodananda, is Supreme Lord. They could not judge that. So, Gurudev is very merciful. Those who have Sukha, he will attract them. And he will reach Niji and then he will reveal, to the hearts of the Lord that he is true. Sarva Bhattacharya, he was Brihaspati. 1,000 person, we can damage him. But he could not understand when Mahaprabhu, mercifully, revealed in his heart, then he knew. Otherwise, how he can be? So today is Guru Puja. Because we are so much indebted to our Gurudev, Guru, Parampara and Vyasa. In our Indian, all kinds of Sampradaya, Vaishnava Sampradaya, or even Mayavadi Sampradaya, all accept Vyas like Guru. And they worship on Guru Puja Day. On this is day of Sanatana Goswami, Ashad Purnima. All without hesitation. But we think we are heard from our Guru Dev that though Shankaracharya worships Vyasadeva, Bhargava, I told that Vyasadeva is Bhranta. Bhranta means he had told wrong. So he is not a Shishya really, and his respect or puja is not taken by just judgment accept. We should try to know the heart of Gurudev, what he wants really. Don't cook as you wish. Atomot seva no. Don't do anything as you like. This is not service to Gurudev. But we should try to know the mode of Gurudev. What he wants, what Krishna wants, try to realize and to do to please Krishna. Whatever you do to please Krishna. But here Krishna means for Guru Parampara, the associates of Krishna, especially Radhika and others, Mahaprabhu, whatever you do to please Guru and Guru. You should marry to please Krishna. You should not marry to please Krishna. Whatever you do. Gopi married to other husbands. How? Why? You know, why? To please Krishna. That in particular he will serve Krishna. And if that married Krishna, then no problem. So, we are very fortunate to come in this Guru Parampara line of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Vyasadeva, and thus gradually in the line of Sri Vyasadeva and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Guru. This line is perfect. Very easily you can have the topmost bhakti, Braj Bhakti. You cannot have in other places. So the Bhaktivedanta Swami came to this world, Western countries, only to divide these things. But he began to cut the jungles of Mayabad and Sakhi Bheki Sahitya and others, and thus his period was over, and Krishna called him. Oh, you should come, I am giving in some step. And return animal substitute. You have done what of. So he wanted to be more. But he saw the mood of his Gurudev and Krishna. So to fulfill their desire again. So, Vyas Puja, to do, to please Krishna in any way. This is Vyas. This Vyas Puja has been started from very beginning. Sukadeva Goswami first did Vyas Puja to his Gurudev, but it was secret. And then Sutta Goswami did Guru Puja to Sukadeva Goswami. Yang prabhajan tamanupe tamape takrityam dvaipayano virahata karajnao putreti tanmayataya sarvo vinedutam sarvabhuta vidayam. Sukadeva Goswami is telling of that, my father and Guru, how you are marvelous, how you are merciful, always merciful you are. That you dragged from forest and Mayabad in your Lord's feet, and you teach me Srimad Bhagavatam, and I was totally changed. So this is the job of the Guru. It does not think that disciples are like property. Like property they are. Nowadays I see like this. They think that they are my property and they go to accept all their things and they follow. They would never think that. So today we will observe Guru Puja. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, at the time of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in the house of Srivas Pandit, there was a meeting in evening after Sankirtan. And in meeting Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, today is Vyas Puja, tomorrow is Vyas Puja. Srivas, for here in your courtyard, we will observe Vyas Puja. Have you paraphernalia? He told, oh yes. I have Jagya Sutra, I have Vekalana, I have Panditi, and everything, rice and all these things. Better we should be ready till 9 tomorrow. And all came, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was becoming some late. And Mahaprabhu, when came, he saw that all were waiting for him. So why waiting? Nityananda Prabhu is my Guru, Guru Varga. You know, though he seems that he is elder brother. But I think in the relation of his Gurudev and Param Gurudev, that Nityananda is Gurudev Guru, higher rank. So he will do that. And Srinivas Pandit and all others, Advaita Acharyas there, requesting Nityananda Prabhu to do that. You should do. But Nityananda Prabhu was telling, I'm doing, but not doing. But when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, at once he ordered Nityananda, why you are beginning? You should begin that puja. Then they took a very beautiful scented goblet and gave him the neck of Chaitanya. He was the same as Krishna. And he began to do arti and everything to Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu was ashamed, thinking that why he is doing to me. But Nityananda Prabhu or Baldev Prabhu knows all the knowledge and tattva. His head on the head of all tattva. So what I am doing right. We should try to please the Aradhya Deva of their event. And that is or Rasamaya Krishna, Rasapati Rasamit Sindhu. So this is that. We know the history of their puja from beginning of world when Vedas were created. And just they divided it into 4 sections. And he has quoted from Upanishads. Aruni, especially from Upanishads, Jasya Devi Parabhakti, Jatha Devi Tatha Guru, Tasyate Kattari Artha, Prakashante Mahatmana. Veda, Rigveda, the original text of Veda. In the beginning of creation, first creation, not this creation. And it has been written, Jasya Devi Parabhakti. Those who have supreme kinds of bhakti in the lotus feet of Parabrahma Sri Krishna. And Gurudev, who has told who is Krishna, is Gurudev. So same like Krishna, those who have bhakti in the lotus feet of their Gurudev, really all the meanings, all the essence of Veda, all the essence of knowledge and bhakti will come in their heart. So you should not think Gurudev like a fashion. Believe Krishna and in Guru more than Krishna. Krishna can cheat. Very big cheater. But Gurudev will not cheat. Don't try to cheat Gurudev to cover your heart that, oh, Gurudev should not know. He knows everything. Why to go to cheat? At the time of Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, there were no disciples to tell all like this. That what kind of faith we should have in the lotus feet of Gurudev. Who is Gurudev? Who is Gurudev? They told one thing that was Gurudev came to spread Naam Sankirtan. This is not his glory so much. This is glory, but gentle. Oh, the Dvaita Bhas means Krishna is, most beloved of Krishna is Radhika. And Haridasi is my Gurudev, then this is supreme. So you should realize. It is not really so. How we can give whole world Krishna Prem? If he has no Krishna Prem, no smell of Krishna Prem, how he can give? If he has no Raganuga Bhakti, how he can give? If he is no Vaidhi Bhakti, even like Prabhat Maharaj, Pravadam Kirtan, how he can give? They are fallen. We fallen persons see that, oh, my Gurudev is very high, but he is fallen like you. So realize all this. So we see in Vedas, Upanishads, there was a Guru and his disciple Aruni, and Gurudev is one Uddhava. How he was offered to Gurudev surrendered to Gurudev. That Gurudev took some test, examining the disciple. Oh, there is rain. Now it is going to be night. And really night came. You should at once go to field, some far away. So much rain, and also so much severe cold. No umbrella, nothing. Go to field and collect water there for fighting. Oh, water may go to other fields. So dams would be done. And he gave some water, space, went and filled in the dark night. And heavy rain was going on. So much cold. Gurudev was very cruel. And he said, without going, oh Gurudev, how I can go? Having given that umbrella, or even a blanket, or anything. No, you should go at once. And he goes then. For heavy rain was going on, severe cold. And water was not a stain in the field. Some broken some. So he took their powder and began to give earth on them to take water. But he becomes so heavy rain and heavy current was coming back. When he saw that I am failed to do this task, he was not returned to Gurudev. What should I do? To take the water, he himself should lie on, dine on the side of the death. And thus water was somewhat. Whole night, his body was like collapsed. But even he was sleeping. In the morning, Gurudev saw, I sent him to water, but he is not, he is still here. And then he went to the field and saw that he is lying down. Aruni, where you are? What going? And then, oh, I am here, like dead body. He went back and took his hand and stand up. And he gave blanket. And he embraced him. Oh, you are past me. Now, what I know from Veda, all kinds of knowledge, everything should come in your heart and you should survive. And you should be like me. And at once, without delay in the moment, what miracle he did. And he became knowing of all the ways, everything. This is examination of cruel Gurudev, but he is very soft. Another, also there is a history. This is very history. Now that there is a history, Prasanna, Gurudev elected, Gurudev Kripa.
गुरुदेव दया करके मुझको अपना लेना। गुरुदेव दया करके गुरुदेव कृपा करके मुझको अपना लेना। गुरुदेव कृपा करके मुझको अपना लेना। मैं शरण पड़ा तेरी चरणों में जगा देगा। मैं शरण पड़ा तेरी चरणों में जगा देगा। चरणों में जगा देगा। गुरुदेव के पास मुझको अपना लेना। गुरुदेव के पास करुणानिधि नाम तेरा करुणा बरसाओ तो। करुणानिधि नाम तेरा करुणा बरसाओ तो। खोए हुए भाग्य को हे नाथ जगाओ तो। नाथ जगाओ मेरी नाम भरे उसे मार लगा के। मेरी नाम उसे मार लगा के। गुरुदेव के पास मुझको अपना लेना। गुरुदेव के पास तुम सुख के सागर हो भक्ति के सहारे हो। तुम सुख के सागर हो मेरे मन में समाये हो। मुझे प्राणों से प्यारे हो। मेरे मन में समाये हो। मुझे प्राणों से प्यारे हो। मुझे प्राणों से प्यारे हो। माला जपो दोष भुला के। Baba,
Then you can see in other Upanishads. Upamanyu was a disciple and his guru was only Rishi. He went to Gurudev, Upamanyu, I want Brahmagyan. You should give. Oh, this is very secret and very powerful thing. You should wait 25 years and be in my Gurukul. And you should graze cow. And after 25 years I will see if you are qualified. Began to graze the cows. Six months or 1 year it went. He told that, Upamanyu, in my cottage I never give you anything to eat. But you are very strong. What do you eat? And then he told, when fox take milk and some remnant is there, I take. Oh, why you are doing? You should not do. But what you should do, he never told. And again he did. After some days he called, oh, you are when very strong, what you are doing? And are you taking milk? No. So what? Oh, when cows in rest, they chew. Some comes and eats. So many cows, hundreds of thousands of cows. I have not allowed you to do it. Why you are doing it? You should not take it. It is of cows. Then again he went. And after some days, he could not return with cows in the evening. And he was searching, where is Upamanyu? What doing? Where you are? Good, I am in well. Why in well? Because you want to take even forms of the cow. So I see through a plant juice. And I become biggest plant. And that is why I am here. Then Gurudev came and me and told that the eyes should come first. And all Vedic literature and Tattva Gyan should come, Brahma Gyan should come. No need of waiting 25 years. That's why. This is Guru Seva. If you will devote your life, surrender yourself like Upamanyu and Aruni, then Brahma Gyani you will have. Not Prema Brajapal. Very right. You can see in the age of Vyas, Krishna Baldev went to Sanjeevani Gurukul, and in the meantime, Sudama Deshra from Dwarka was also there. He was friend, same age. And they were admitted in the Gurukul of Sanjeevani. One day Guruvani, the wife of Gurudev, told him, I have no wood to cook, no wood for fire sacrifice. You should go to forest and bring it. And they went, and at one severe heavy rain came. Cold so much, windy, and so much rain that where should I go or not? Everywhere the fields were covered. They had some on their bundle of food. But they are not keeping these in water anyhow. Under the shade of trees, they were whole light standing. And in the end of night, in the morning, Gurudev Sanjeevani himself, where is Sudama and Krishna? Where is Krishna and Sudama? Where? We are here. Why not coming? Oh, flood. And they were trembling. Being Supreme Lord Krishna is trembling. And he is obeying his Gurudev. Then bhakti. Bhakti is not so easy as you understand. You have to stand up like this, then real Guru will be happy and he will give his blessing. Brahma Gyan Areni. So at once he embraced both and he told that for what you have come, all kinds of thoughts and everything, all Vedic knowledge, everything. Krishna had from before but first Nama. Son Gurudev is. So try to be like that. And for Rupanuga Vaishnava, to be a disciple, like Raghunath Das Goswami, Rupa Goswami, Jiva Goswami. Most of you will have to follow. Gurudev kicked the Jiva Goswami. You should return back. And he was a star. First, and if Gurudev is not happy, then I do, because my life. So he was fasting and but he was anyhow in Brajananda heart. With crocodiles he was. And he became sick, so much sick. There was no asha, hope for Goswami to be alive. Then Sanatana Goswami came and told, why you have done so? What is your duty? To help you for Krishna Bhakti. Then why you left Rupa Brahmani? And then he began to weep and took him. And he gave medical help and everything, and said, Jiva Goswami has fulfilled the desire of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave South Damodar in the hands of And so Damodar. And how he served? He served his heart, not only message. This will not do so. To message heart, please. How big? How Rupa Goswami pleased his Gurudev Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You know, knew the heart of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and he gave in Bharati the salvation those who is money and Father. That is Madhav, that is Madhav. And Mahaprabhu was so happy. And he wrote the verse, Jam Kaumar Hara and others. So this is our parampara. Then they will sprinkle their mercy or Raganuga Bhakti in the guidance of Rupa Goswami. You should serve Radhika. Radha Krishna Kanjuga, but trending towards this is very I brought you all for this. Swamiji wanted to give, but there was no time to give. He wanted. So, in their line, I am telling so many things of Raganuga. No one is speaking, all are silent, but I am not silent. Only in whole parampara, not related. Oh, I should go to hell, no. But they should all have Raganuga Bhakti. But you will have to surrender. Really like what I told. Don't be don't keep the name, disciple's name. We have no connection with the Ekalabhya. He was demon. He was not Guru Bhakti. Dronacharya told that I will not teach you archery. But he told that I must learn from you. He made a statue. I learned everything from him. Become very expert. When Dronacharya came, and he wondered how you have. Then he told, without your mercy I cannot do it. So with your mercy, pursuing your deity, I have been very expert in art. And he told that a very Guru Dakshina. And then he cut his thumb. He was not pleased because he wanted to fight with Arjuna and Krishna. Bhagavan and his associates both against Pandavas of Dharmaraj. So he was finished by Chakra. Krishna finished him by his Chakra. So he said, don't try to be like him. Someone wants bhakti, that by the power of bhakti I can destroy them. No. We should try to be the method of this. How? Vinadapi Sumite Karorapi Savisnuna Amanina Manina Kirtaniya Sada. This is it. Line by line. So you will have to sacrifice and you will have to come in the surrender. Like Krishna has told. In Gita, Krishna is Guru. Arjuna is Shishastena. And Krishna is playing the part of Guru. if you want Krishna prem, more higher than Brahma Gyan and other things. One kirtan and then again. Worship my Guru Parampara. I'm giving Pushpanjali to Guru Parampara here. I'm very happy that you have managed everything very good. Guru Parampara and Vyasdev also there. Who did manage you? Right? And to, Govinda Prabhupada and his wife. कीर्तन कर लो गुरुदेव कृपा बिंदु दिया
गुरुदेव कृपा बिंदु दिया करो से नापेक्षायते कृपा बिंदु दिया कृपा बिंदु दिया करो नापेक्षायते हीना कृपा बिंदु दिया सकल सहने बल दिया करो जामने सियाहिना करो আর সকলে সম্মান করিতে সকটি দেহনা যথা যথ সকলে সম্মান করিতে আমি তবে তো গাহিব হরিনাম সুখে তবে অপরাধ হবে কৃপা বিন্দু দিয়া করো লকিয়ায় যার গীতা হইবে না হবে হেন কৃপা লকিয়ায় যার তবে হেন কৃপা লকিয়ায় যার ইন্দর হইবে না তবে হেন কৃপা শক্তি বুদ্ধি আমি আছি শক্তি বুদ্ধি করো মনে আত্মসাৎ কৃপা বিন্দু দিয়া করো যোগ্যতা বিচারে কিছু নাহি পাই তোমার করুণা কিছু নাহি পাই তোমার করুণা তোমার করুণা না হইলে কাঁদিয়া কাঁদিয়া করুণা না হইলে করুণা না হইলে কাঁদিয়া কাঁদিয়া করুণা না হইলে কাঁদিয়া কাঁদিয়া প্রাণ না রাখিব জয় গুরুদেবা জয় গুরুদেবা জয় গুরুদেবা Mother Maharaj is doing action on my behalf and take useful to Krishna hoite chatur mukha, Hare Krishna sevan mukha, Brahma hoite Naradena mani, Narad